What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. We got FTFT. Why did it make a move today from $2.20 and it's still hitting highs up over $3.60? Why did it make this move? Well, let's break it down. FTFT was gapping up this morning. It's got news. Fintech applied blockchain technology related software copyrights with China Copyright Protection Center. So it's blockchain Bitcoin related. Now, if we pull up to see what Bitcoin's current price is, Bitcoin is still hitting new highs, running all the way up over 38,000. So all of these blockchain Bitcoin cryptocurrency stocks are going to follow in sympathy with Bitcoin. But that's not the only reason why FTFT had a nice move today. If we look at the daily chart really isn't telling us anything. It just got a gap up and just explodes up with a huge amount of volume. You got to look deeper into these tickers. Remember, pay attention to the details. Consider yourself a detective and a scientist. As a detective, you're investigating the scene to put the pieces of the story together. And as a scientist, you're testing again, refining, testing. All we simply do is flip over to the weekly chart and look at that. We got a nice squeeze going on with the moving averages. We have the 50-day moving average pushing up over this 200-day moving average, that red line. That's a squeeze on the weekly chart. Remember, the bigger the time frame, the bigger the move could be. So this is happening on the weekly chart, and I'm not done yet. Now if we switch over to the monthly chart, we have the exact same thing happening. We have the 8 EMA, this gold line right here, squeezing up and pushing over this blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. So we have a mega squeeze going on. Seeing this pre-market, putting it together, this gives you the confidence in trusting in what you know and holding onto these positions for longer periods of time and feeling comfortable in trades. This was gapping up pre-market, putting all of that together, and then FTFT slowly moves its way on up all the way to 275, pulls back to that mental price level, 250. This is why I like to trade off of mental psychological numbers. It pops up to 275, pulls back to that mental 250. We got volume increasing as this stock keeps pushing up, and we get a nice ramp all the way up over $3. And then it pulls back and it's hovering just below $3. That mental area pulls all the way back down and it's holding at support pretty much right at the area it topped out right here and started pushing up right here with the volume increase. From here, wedges out, pushes up, finds resistance at that mental $3. And this is what I like to call a micro pullback right there. Stock is gearing up and it's getting ready to push up over that mental whole dollar number. And from there, pushes up, pulls back. $3 is holding as support. It's confirming to you over and over and over again that it's strong and there's strength there. Then from 3, pushes all the way up to 350. New high of day with increased volume. Volume is just pouring into this. Remember, the stock market, it's all about supply and demand. If you have supply of something and you have a huge wave of demand come in on this, there's going to be activity and price action. And this is where we thrive as traders. We study the past. Technical analysis and learning the basic concepts is easy. It's about putting together the common sense, I would say, of the chart and what's going on. And this stock is still pushing up, approaching $4. I just wanted to make a quick video. This is definitely a playbook play. I would call this play the mega squeeze. We got the weekly and the monthly chart with the moving averages coming together, squeezing the stock up higher. The stock has news, a catalyst to bring volume in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?